So in the Airstream Atlas, I was a little surprised to find out that the toilet they put in them is not porcelain, it's plastic. And I'm okay with it, but I gotta be honest, it wiggles a little bit and it feels like you're on one of those spring-loaded little toys in a schoolyard. So what I'm going to do is attempt to swap this out for a porcelain. And just so you know, I contacted Airstream and asked, gosh, you spent all this money on one of these Atlas, why not the porcelain? And they told me it was a weight issue. They were saving weight. I don't know if I buy that or not. So I got the plastic one out that was in, which is this one right here. And we're going to replace it with this porcelain one right here, which is more home residential, I guess, setup and style. So it was very easy to remove. Basically have two bolts on each end, and then you have one connector in the back for the water, which I've already moved over and hooked onto the new one right here. And so now we're going to go install it. Okay, the new one is in, and for the most part, went pretty well. Just lining up the two bolts on the base there was a little bit of a challenge, but other than that, one's a little bit more comfortable and feels a little bit more stable when you're. The other thing to note is now that this is the same as basically you'd get in your house, was able to put a soft close lid on it as well. My wife tells me this is important. She doesn't want to hear any clanking in the middle of the day or the middle of the night. If anybody was thinking about doing this on their own, it's very easy. One hose connection, two bolts at the bottom, and you have a new toilet. So thanks for watching this quick video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate that. That way you'll stay in the know for the three main things we primarily focus on, which is RV reviews, campsite reviews, and aftermarket RV products, just like the one we just went through. So until next time, I hope your trips are optimized.